Dry down. So Coco Mademoiselle is supposedly one of the best-selling fragrances out there. This perfume was the 2008 winner of the Fifi Best National Advertising Campaign, and it has continued to do well since. Coco Mademoiselle is an amber floral fragrance launched in 2001, and the nose behind this one is in-house perfumer Jacques Polge. The notes are... This scent is not as old school as the original Grande Dame here, but I think it's still mature. There's an ozonic sparkly freshness at the start, but after that, I have to admit, I do get a lot of soap. It's lovely. It's a lovely, clean and crisp, unique smelling, unexpensive citrus soapiness, yes, but honestly, smelling soapy clean has never been one of my perfume goals. I cannot really detect the jasmine and rose in here either, but that could be because it's so well blended. I do feel there's a lot of aroma chemicals. That's pretty common these days in perfumery across the board, though, not just the mass market stuff published by Chanel. There is some soft and fresh peachy muskiness in here. Perhaps it's the origin of the soap vibe. The soap and the patchouli in the base are what set it completely apart from the original Coco. I think Mademoiselle is taking advantage of Coco's name, in fact. How brazenly tawdy, Coco Mademoiselle. How tacky of you. But maybe they weren't designed to be, maybe this wasn't designed to be a flanker of this. It is very different. And the patchouli and the dry down in this is damp, earthy, and it's sweet metallic. It's not, it's a bit minerally. Hard to explain it. It's a beautifully blended, happy fragrance. It's modern, it's feminine, it's a classic that appeals to a wide range of ages. It's too beautiful for me to say it's generic, though. It's just simply not to my taste. It's well blended, though. It is well blended.